Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to complete Schedule A on Turbotax in 2025. Alright, this is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one at all. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do is to gather necessary documents. So go ahead and collect your receipts and records for itemized deductions, such as medical expenses or mortgage interest and charitable donations. So once you have all those documents gathered, next thing you're going to do is to sign into your TurboTax account. So just go to TurboTax website and sign into your account with your email address and your password. And once you signed into your account, you're just going to select the tax year that you want to complete Schedule A for. Once that's selected, next you're going to choose Schedule A as your tax form, and then you want to select Start to begin completing the form. Next, you're going to enter your medical expenses. So go ahead and enter your medical expenses, including, doctor visits, hospital stays, and prescription medications. Next, you're going to enter your mortgage interest and property taxes. So go ahead and enter your mortgage interest and property taxes, including, any points paid on a mortgage. Once that's done, next thing you're going to do is to enter your charitable donations. So go ahead and enter your charitable donations, including cash donations and donations of goods or services. Once all that is taken care of, you're going to move on to claim other itemized deductions. So go ahead and claim other itemized deductions, such as state and local income taxes, as well as miscellaneous deductions. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to complete Schedule A on TurboTax in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.